Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to change your iPhone font, and it's really simple. So here you can change your iPhone font if you don't have iOS 18 in a more simple way. So you will head to the App Store first, so where's my App Store? And search for fonts. Choose any application that will fit in your description and in your liking. So I just chose a random one right here, and then you have this application. So go to settings and then go to your general basically from general. So again, general right here. Oh, that's accessibility. General, and then you scroll down and go to keyboards. Then here in keyboards, add a new keyboard and select the keyboard for the new one that you just downloaded. So when you go to your actual keyboard and type right here, you can just switch through this keyboard right here, and now you got fonts basically readily available for your own iPhone keyboard, and it's just that simple. Switch back if you want to right here. So again, in the bottom left lower corner, you can switch into the fonts keyboard, which will switch up your fonts. And there you go guys, that is how you change your iPhone font. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and of course, don't forget to subscribe.